Is house cleaning a luxury service? I get asked this question all the time by house cleaners who are being cut by their customers who have determined that because the economy is tight, they can no longer afford a house cleaning service. So is it a luxury service? I'm Angela Brown, and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question, and I get to help you find an answer. Now, because we are in a pinched economy, a lot of people think, I got to cut the services that are extra. And I have to ask, is house cleaning extra? To me, it's a necessity because it goes back to a mental health issue. If your house is not clean, then there are other things that are happening in your home. For example, dust. When we open our doors and windows, dust comes in and it settles in your house. There are dust mites, and those trigger allergies. And so just for the wellness of your physical being, to prevent that from your home, yay. Pet dander triggers a lot of allergies for family members, maybe not all family members, but some family members. And so if you have a family member, their eyes are itchy and their nose is watery and they're on allergy medicines and stuff, it's important that you vacuum the pet hair and the pet fur and keep your carpets cleaned and all the things that cleaning provides. And then also we look at getting inside the shower. If we've cut our cleaning service and we're not cleaning, what happens then is we start to build up soap scum and mold and things like that inside the showers and the bathtubs. And then when you step in there, it contributes to like fungus foot and stuff like that. I'm not trying to be gross, but cleaning the house on average, just a regular maintenance clean, is a situation not of luxury, but a situation of health and wellness. And so during this particular time where the economy is pinched, I really want to strongly encourage people to take a serious look at your house cleaning, because this is a service that either you have to do for yourself or you have to pay someone to help you. And if you don't have the time, this might be an opportunity for you to hire an outside service that can come in and can help maintain the home. They're going to keep the crumbs off the floor. They're going to keep the mice at bay. They're going to keep bugs and rodents out of your house. They're going to prevent those dust mites, and they're going to prevent the pet dander from building up in your home. Also, the different elements, the vanities in the kitchen and everything that has to be wiped down and sanitized on a regular basis. So is house cleaning a luxury service? To me, it's a survival thing, right? It's not, oh, it's nice to have. This is a mandatory thing. There are 128 million homes in America, just America alone. And they all have to be cleaned, whether you hire a service or whether you clean them yourself. And so if you don't hire a service, that's okay. But I want you to put house cleaning on your schedule, because if you ask me, my answer is no, it's not a luxury service at all. It's a mandatory survival service that should be part of every single day, that you have a regular maintenance routine inside your home. And every couple of weeks, if not, a couple of weeks is max, that you have a regular clean where you're scouring everything out, wiping everything down and mopping everything, and making sure that you've kept everything in top-notch shape. And when you have a nice, clean, tidy house, it's amazing how much better you feel physically and what it has to do with your overall attitude and your wanting to be at home. So is it a survival tool or is it a luxury service? I'm going to say it's a survival tool. I'm really eager to hear your comments and your questions. Please put those in the comments in the notes below. If we've earned your subscription, please subscribe. And until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.